Advanced medical directives let you accept or refuse now certain healthcare treatments that you might need in the future. These directives will apply if you can't consent to treatments. Choosing in advance helps preserve your autonomy. Advanced medical directives let you choose now certain healthcare treatments that you might need later. The directives will be used in specific medical situations. Advanced medical directives speak for you, so it's not necessary for another person to make healthcare decisions for you. Your choices must be respected by the medical team. It's important to know that you can't ask for medical aid in dying in your advanced medical directives. Advanced medical directives apply only when you are unable to consent to treatment and you are in one of three specific medical situations. The authorized medical staff of doctors, nurses, etc. consult your medical record or the Advanced Medical Directives Register of the Régie de l'Assurance Maladie du Québec, or RAMQ. The choices that you made in advance must be respected. If the medical staff don't respect your advanced medical directives, one of your loved ones can ask a judge to make them. Patients cannot consent to treatment if, among other things, they are unable to reason, understand the nature of the disease and the proposed treatment, understand the impact of their choices given their situation, or express their decision. A person's ability to understand and make decisions may be affected by the disease. For example, a person in a coma or who has advanced Alzheimer's disease is unable to consent to healthcare treatments. In addition to being unable to consent to treatment, you must be in one of the following three situations. You suffer from a serious medical condition and are at the end of life. You are in a coma or permanently unconscious, and there is no chance that you will regain consciousness or get your intellectual abilities back. Or you have dementia that seriously affects your intellectual abilities and no improvement of your condition is possible. For example, if you have advanced Alzheimer's. There are 5 treatments that you can accept or refuse in your advanced medical directives. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which means maneuvers to restart your heart and breathing, such as mouth-to-mouth. Ventilator-assisted breathing, or breathing assisted by another device, which means a machine to breathe for you if you cannot breathe on your own. Dialysis, which is a machine to clean your blood if your kidneys can't do it. Forced or artificial feeding. Forced means against your will, whereas artificial means by a tube or a catheter. And forced or artificial hydration. Advanced medical directives do not let you demand a particular healthcare treatment. For example, you can't demand dialysis before being diagnosed. The medical staff will judge which treatment is appropriate for you in the circumstances. You can make your advanced medical directives either in a notarial deed made by a notary or by filling out the free Advanced Medical Directives in Case of Incapacity to Consent to Care form available from the RAMQ and signing it in front of 2 witnesses. The next step is to send your advanced medical directives to the RAMQ to be recorded in the Advanced Medical Directives Register. You can also give them to a healthcare professional to file them in your medical record. You must be able to consent when you make your advanced medical directives. If you are incapacitated when you make them, your loved ones or a doctor could challenge them. In addition, you must be well informed about the treatments you are accepting or refusing in your advanced medical directives. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor and ask questions. This way, you will understand the benefits and the risks of each treatment when you choose it. Tell your loved ones about your advanced medical directives. They will then know about your decisions, which can avoid emotionally charged situations if your advanced medical directives need to be used. You can modify or cancel your advanced medical directives as long as you can consent to healthcare treatments. To modify your advanced medical directives, you must write new ones. To cancel them, you must fill out the Revocation of Advanced Medical Directives form available from the RAMQ. If you are in an emergency that prevents you from following the rules to revoke your Advanced Medical Directives, you can still cancel them verbally. However, you must be able to consent to treatment at the time you cancel your directives. Other documents can indicate your wishes in advance if you don't have Advanced Medical Directives or if they don't apply. You could make a protection mandate or a living will. These documents allow you to give instructions about what healthcare treatments you do and don't want if you become incapacitated. If your Advanced Medical Directives are different from what you've said in your protection mandate, the Advanced Medical Directives take priority. The Advanced Medical Directives take priority even if your protection mandate is more recent. If you don't have Advanced Medical Directives, or if they don't apply, the law says that someone else, such as a mandatory, tutor, spouse or partner, etc., can accept or refuse healthcare treatment for you. This decision must be made in your best interests. Talk to your loved ones about your preferences and your values. This information will guide them in the choices that they might need to make for you. For more information about protection mandates and consent to healthcare treatments by incapacitated adults, you can read articles about these topics on our website.